Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today we are going to make winter special Gajar Aloo Methi ki sabzi. Let's start. First you will need half cup of oil and add 1 tablespoon of zeera. Next add 2 medium sized onions and add 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste, 2 medium sized tomatoes, half tablespoon haldi, and salt according to your taste as much as you require, 1 tablespoon of red chili powder, 1 tablespoon of garam masala, 3 medium sized potatoes, and mix. These are half kg of carrots. Mix them well together. Cover it for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, you can see it looks something like this. Now in this, add matar or green peas and methi. It will look something like this after a few minutes. Now cover it again. Cover it for 10 minutes and then serve. Our yummy recipe is ready to eat. I hope you enjoyed today's video, and if you did, don't forget to subscribe, like and share. Thanks for watching.